My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to share a simple spiritual truth with you. And that is that healing begins with participation. This may seem self evident, but true healing requires our choice to accept it. Grace is always available, but it waits for permission to flow. We must learn to choose things in life. We choose to be in perfect health, or we choose not to be. Healing is not imposed, it is invited. When you say yes to restoration in faith, humility, and trust, the energies of renewal begin to move and to flow. You begin to accept wellness and perfect health as what you deserve. The divine never withholds healing. Healing occurs through intention. Healing is accessible to all. The divine honors readiness. Every act of willingness opens the channel through which grace can pour, through which healing can occur. It is a function of choice. I wish you much joy and healing and happiness. Thank you for allowing me to share, and God bless.